Hello friends, English enthusiasts, how are you all, and welcome back to this series of tenses. Okay, so I hope that you are all doing well, and our today's topic is present simple and present continuous comparison part 2. Okay, so in this part we will learn when to use the present simple and present continuous, which situation we can use it. So today we will look a few examples. Okay, so no more talking, let's get started. So first of all, we are watching that is I have divided the two tenses, and I have written 4 sentences. By this you can understand. Okay, so first of all, we are watching in present simple and present continuous, that is he works in a bank. Okay, so it's in permanent. So first of all, the situation is permanent. Okay, so someone is telling that is he works in a bank. It indicates that is he works there a long time. He doesn't work there a short period or a few minutes. Okay, so he works there a long time, and you can say it can be his occupation. You can't change it, and it's in true general. Okay, so he works there a long time, so a long period. Okay, so last forever. Okay, so this is called permanent. Okay, so he works in a bank. And then the first example of present continuous we are watching, that is he is working in a cafe. Okay, so this is temporary. So why it is temporary? Because someone is working in a cafe in a short period. Okay, you can say in a short time. Okay, so it can be last forever. It can be present simple. The action is happening now, but it will be in a short period. Okay, so here on the situation, this is called temporary. Okay, so in this, for example, that is I'm talking to you. So I'm talking to you, but I will finished it. So this is called temporary. Something is happening in a short period. Okay, so first of all, just look. He works. It's in present simple, and in a bank it's object, we know. And he is working is present continuous. Okay, he works in a bank. He is working in a cafe. So it's in permanent and it's in temporary. Okay, so then next, I speak. Okay, so I speak. We did some mistake here. That is just we had the is. Okay, this is all wrong. So we can add the is because I is first person singular. So on this situation, we can add the is here. So I have rewritten this wrongly. Okay, so I have written this wrongly here. So I speak. Okay, so let me write. Okay, so here I have written I speak English very well. When I have written this, I have wrongly this. I speak English very well. So it's in general. I speak English every day. Okay, I speak English every day. You can't change. It's my habit. You can say it's my habit. General or everyday I speak English. It's in true general. So this is in present simple. It's in present simple. I speak English. I speak English. Just at the S with object. I speak English. And then if we see the 2 number, it will be I'm speaking English right now. So here it will be I'm speaking. So I'm speaking, it's the continuous form. I speak English, I'm speaking English. So here I have written right now. So something is happening right now. Okay, so you can say now. Okay, now. So it's happening right now. The action is happening right now. In this situation, we can call this present continuous tense. So here we have already understood the 2 number of the present simple, and I already understood the second number of present continuous. Okay, so let's have a look the next number. I mean third number. So in the third number, both of the tenses I have written, that is they eat lunch at 10 p.m. Okay, so they eat lunch at 10 p.m. It's in routine. It's in routine during the present simple. Okay, why routine? Routine always indicates your general activities, not general, sorry, your regular activities that you always do, that you always do. Okay, so you always do these types of works every day. Okay, you can change it. Someone can change your tasks. Okay, you always do every day. It's your habit. You like to do this every day, so it can be your routine. It's your habit. So here they eat lunch at 10 p.m. It indicates that is at 10 p.m. they always eat lunch. It's their specific time. So in this situation, we can say this. Oh, 10 p.m. Sorry, not 10 p.m. If you want to say 10, not 1 p.m. Okay, 1 p.m. They eat lunch at 1 p.m. It routine. But if we want to say the present continuous, it will be they are eating lunch now. They're eating lunch now. It indicates that is something is happening right now. Something is happening right now, or something is happening. So in this situation, you can use this. They eat lunch. They are eating lunch now. So just let's have a look at the 4 number. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It's the fact. Fact always indicates that is something is true, general, scientific fact. Okay, for example, if I say to you, if I say that is the sun rises in the east. So it's the scientific fact. You can change it. So it will be water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It will be present simple. But if you use it during the present continuous, you can't say. Your sentence will be, for example, that is someone is telling you or talking to you, and he suddenly say to you, for example, that is, look, the pot is very hot. The water is boiling. So it means that the water is boiling right now. Okay, so now, so we have to understand that is present continuous, and this is fact, so it is present simple. And I have rewritten this because I have no ink in my marker, no problem. But they eat lunch at 1 p.m. It's correct because lunch. But if we want to say morning, so it will be because it indicates the noon. Okay, that's why we have used the lunch. But if somebody eats their breakfast at 10 p.m. or like this 10 p.m. not 10 p.m. 10 a.m. 11 a.m. Okay, so this is called breakfast. Okay, so in this situation you can say they eat their breakfast at 10 a.m. Okay, so it indicates their routine. So that's, I hope that is you have already understood. So we have already seen a few sentences. So this is our today's part, but the next part of present simple and present continuous tense, I mean part 3, we will more watch the more examples, and we will discuss it again when to use the present simple and present continuous. I have just made you seen that is you have understood by watching these sentences. Okay, so I hope that is you have already understood, and if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video, and stay tuned like this, and bye bye everyone.